If you hate scrubbing toilets or always run out of toilet paper, you should consider investing in a smart toilet or a smart toilet bidet. Seriously, this thing does most of the cleaning for you. It's amazing. As premium toilets are making their way into more and more homes, we want to bring you our top 5 picks and see what the market today has to offer. There are many unique features here that traditional home toilets don't have, and we'll cover them all. In addition to the must-have convenient features such as spray cleaning and air drying, some smart toilets can automatically flush when you're done, or even automatically close and open the lid and self-clean the toilet bowl after each flush and heat the seat. That said, let's dive in. We'll get this show on the road with the Woodbridge B0960S Smart Toilet, the absolute best value smart toilet in 2025. This model comes with a wall-mounted remote control that allows you to easily activate the toilet functions by pressing a button. This includes the water pressure and the temperature of the bidet, as well as a dryer for maximum comfort. It is also ADA compliant for those who need it. Features of the Woodbridge BO960S Smart Toilet include automatic opening and closing, automatic flushing, and automatic deodorization. It also has heated seats, a built-in nightlight, and a warm air dryer. All these functions are also available and adjustable from the remote control. The tank is quite prominent on the back of the toilet, so it's not as elegant as a tankless model would be. Also, another important thing, it has a height of 17.5 inches from the floor to the seat. The comfortable height of the seat makes visiting the toilet more comfortable because there is less strain when sitting or even standing. Thanks to the automatic flush, the seat will activate the self-cleaning bidet and spray, following your hands for hands-free operation. Also, the smart toilet functions as you approach. The lid automatically opens to welcome you. There's a silent and powerful single flush that brings super quiet and efficient flushing. The one-piece toilet is the perfect addition to any modern bathroom, providing a touch of elegance and nothing but comfort. With its sleek white design and UPC and CSA certification, this thing is sure to impress. The device prioritizes hygiene by incorporating an automatic air deodorizer that effectively cleans the air using powerful air filters. The ionized carbon filter eliminates unpleasant odors for a fresh, clean space. In addition, the air purification system ensures a comfortable experience every time. Handcrafted from easy-to-clean ceramic, the Woodbridge B0960S Smart Toilet is designed for durability and elegant aesthetics. It works great. Thumbs up. Up next, we're going to talk about the Toto S7A Washlet, also known as the best bidet seat smart toilet you can find on the market in 2025. The S550E Washlet from Toto is considered by most to be the best bidet seat on the market, and the S7A model is designed as the upgraded version of this fan favorite. We're looking at one of the slimmest bidet seats on the market. With a seat height of just 4.06 inches, the S7A is almost an inch thinner than the S550E. This means that it is ultra stylish and will blend in with the rest of your bathroom decor, not to mention how comfortable it is to sit on. The company has upped its game when it comes to user settings. Now, you and the rest of your household can program up to 4 personal settings into the device. Just select your preset button before you start, and the S7A will provide you with your personal preferences. The remote control is intuitive and easy to use, similar to the remote control for the S550E Washlet. Whether you have multiple family members living in the house that all use the bidet seat, or you want to have different settings for winter versus summer, you'll have much more flexibility to choose and save exactly the settings you want. Some customers have complained about the seam under the S550E washlet seat and how it tends to trap unwanted dirt and grime in the bathroom. This model is the first on the market that does not have such a seam, which eliminates the shadow area and makes the product easier to clean and sanitary. The light rinse lubricates the surface and allows particles to be easily washed away during rinsing. This is a standard feature with most Toto washlets, but with the S7A, the company has truly gone a step further. Now, not only will the bowl get pre-mist treatment, but so will the area under the seat. Nice one! If you want a top quality product, we have specially selected the Toto NeoRest RS Dual Flush Toilet for you, which is by all accounts the best premium smart toilet on the market in 2025. We're looking at the perfect blend of advanced technology and aesthetic appeal. The NeoRest RS is ADA compliant and introduces a number of innovative features to make your bathroom as comfortable as possible. This model comes with an advanced design of two powerful nozzles instead of holes on the rim. It creates a centrifugal rinse that effectively cleans the cup. Also included in the mix is the epoxy resin material that combines the transparency of glass with exceptional resistance to impact and heat. This product is also specially designed to save your water with 3.8 liters or less per flush. Also, the seat comes with a built-in electronic bidet, water and board air conditioner, automatic dryer, deodorant, and more. We mustn't forget the Air and Wonder Wave water drops with a wind function. Water drops with air pressure create a more comfortable washing sensation and give a more complete cleaning with less water consumption. After each flush, the Evader Plus sprays the wand and toilet bowl, which reduces the need for harsh cleaning chemicals, while the UV light comes in combination with special vitrification that removes dirt from the toilet bowl. Another relief is that there's no need to push buttons or handles and worry about someone forgetting to flush the water. It's automatic after every use. This model wets the surface of the toilet bowl, helping remove debris and deliver better cleaning. And of course, there's the deodorizer. It's a highly effective deodorant that works automatically in the toilet during and after use without leaving unpleasant odors. Furthermore, you'll be able to enjoy the ease and convenience of drying with the adjustable temperature of the hot air dryer. The instantaneous water heater provides continuous hot water, and you can adjust the spray position, water temperature, and pressure for your comfort. You can take control with the easy-to-use Pearl White Block-style remote control and save preferences for up to 4 users with personalized memory settings. The Toto NeoRest RS Dual Flush Toilet Bidet Toilet elevates your bathroom into a haven of luxury, comfort, and cleanliness. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The next product we'll talk about in our review list is the Kohler Caring Elongated Toilet, which in our opinion is the runner-up best smart toilet on the market in 2025. With its design, the Caring toilet brings stunning style to any bathroom decor. The touchscreen remote control makes it easy to control your preferences for the heated seat, bidet, and air dryer, and program custom settings for up to 2 users. With built-in conveniences such as an LED nightlight and hands-free opening and closing, the Caring toilet combines state-of-the-art technology with a sleek edge-to-edge design. The powerful 1.28-gallon flush provides significant water savings compared to a 3.5-gallon toilet. Combining powerful performance, bidet functionality, and a deodorizing system, this truly smart toilet offers thorough and comfortable cleaning. It features a lid and seat that are motion activated for hands-free opening and closing, along with LED lights for nighttime use and a carbon filter to neutralize odors. The innovative design of the Caring tankless toilet has smooth, sloping curves and very few seams, making it easy to clean. In addition, a self-flushing bidet wand offers a more hygienic experience. This toilet features Powerlight technology and carries the WaterSense label, which means it meets strict EPA performance guidelines and uses at least 20% less water than a 1.6-gallon toilet. The 1.28-gallon flush saves up to 16,500 gallons of water per year compared to a 3.5-gallon toilet, giving you significant water savings without sacrificing performance. In addition, Caring is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. The nightlight feature provides soft lighting, making late-night bathroom trips a breeze. This Kohler toilet combines state-of-the-art technology with elegant design to provide the ultimate smart toilet experience. You'll upgrade your bathroom in style. Thumbs up, that's for sure. And finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall smart toilet on the market in 2025. Crafted with flowing balance curves, the one-piece winner for today is called the Kohler Veil Comfort Height Skirted Toilet. This device combines a bold, minimalist style with the practicality of personal cleanliness. Upgraded to a 17-inch seat height, the Veil Dual Flush Toilet meets ADA code requirements. Flushing with the aid of a pump gives maximum flushing performance every time. A full suite of practical features includes a heated seat, nightlight, hands-free opening closing, and automatic flushing, plus a touchscreen remote control. With one-touch emergency flush backup, you'll always be covered in the event of a power outage. With its sculpted curves and elegant lines, the Veil toilet presents a bold, contemporary look that will elevate the style of any bathroom. Not only does it look stunning, it also offers superior functionality and comfort. Experience the feeling of sitting in a chair with this Comfort High toilet. Equipped with dual flush technology, the Veil toilet gives you a choice of 0.8 or 1.28 gallons per flush, saving water and reducing your environmental footprint. You'll get a powerful wash with a pump that delivers consistent maximum performance, ensuring thorough cleaning with every use. The smart toilet is packed with innovative features designed to enhance your bathroom experience. The included heated seat provides soothing warmth during the colder months, while the built-in nightlight offers subtle illumination for late-night visits. Users can control all functions effortlessly with the intuitive touchscreen remote control. From adjusting the water temperature to activating an emergency backup wash during a power outage, the remote control puts the power of customization at your fingertips. And the thoughtful design of the Veil toilet goes beyond its aesthetics. The one-piece rim design not only adds a sleek modern touch, but also eliminates the need for hard-to-reach crevices, making cleaning a breeze. This is the perfect choice for modern bathrooms where style and efficiency are equally important. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.